Attacker versus hard kicker. Walang umatake na paliko-liko ang direksyon. Ang lahat na umatake ay tuwid ang direksyon. Sa ganitong sitwasyon, ang umatake ay hindi makaiwas sa sipa ng hard kicker. Ito ang gabay ng tamang jumping sidekick position. Ihakbang ang kanang paa sa unahan. Kapag naabot na sa ground position, ito italon mo pataas. Sinundan sa left foot, jumping forward. Kung ang kaliwang paa bumaba na sa lupa, itulak ang kanang paa to complete jumping sidekick. You practice the proper distance of impact. Use heel of foot or heel kick so that you can perform it correctly and powerfully. Now, to be a hard kicker, try to practice like this. You can kick trees, stones or cement, iron or hard metal. Kung magagawa mo ay magkaroon ka ng self-confidence, tingnan ninyo kung paano. You have shoes, sandal, or slipper as protection of your foot. Don't kick on barefoot, otherwise you will get hurt or be crippled. And kick sharp and pointed objects because you will be wounded or stabbed. Constant practice makes perfect. Use sole of foot or sole kick.
A hard kicker applying powerful kick.
Next time you call me Bruce Lee.
Thank you.